Hello traders, this is Alla Peters, founder of Fibonacci Trading Institute. In this webinar, I want to make sure that you understand everything I present for education purposes, that you recognize I'm not a financial advisor, I am Fibonacci educator. In this webinar, I will be sharing with you how I developed the method in 2008, what method all about, what Fibonacci is, and how you forever can benefit from Fibonacci. Until 2008, I invested on fundamentals. I invested very heavily in stock market based on PE ratios. When market was crashing in 2008, I could not understand why stocks with stunning earnings, stunning fundamentals were collapsing. This is a stock that I was holding in 2008. In 2008, when this stock was at 70, earnings, PE ratios were stunning. Chesapeake Energy is one of the leading energy stocks in the United States of America. When market was collapsing, it was simply stunning to recognize that fundamentals did not mean a thing, that there is so much more to the markets than earnings. In 2008, I was fortunate enough to have time on my hands to study the charts, to study the markets. And I started seeing very, very clearly that market is not random, that everything in the market is quite predictable, that market preset by Fibonacci levels. In 2008, I developed first strategy. As of right now, the strategies I developed in 2008, I taught to traders in US and abroad from beginner to hedge funds. And this is what I've done earlier this morning. Since 2008, I recognized each and every day that market flawless Fibonacci puzzle, no matter what instrument you trade. If you take a chart in front of you, and you take a look on this chart, it's 5-minute S&P. If I just remove the name of the instrument, it would not matter what instrument that is, or what time frame that is. Formula will remain the same. Please tell me, what instrument is this? Why would that matter? Every single instrument has exactly same structure. Every single instrument has exactly same pattern. The only difference between every instrument is liquidity, volatility, and how long you hold a position. This is oil, but chart looks exactly the same as 5-minute S&P. Randy, there is something wrong with your computers. Nobody else is having a problem. Is anybody else having any difficulty seeing anything? Please log out and log back in again. No one else is having a problem, Randy. So, change the browser and log back in. This is a chart from Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp. This is what we worked with in the room with students this morning. The hourly chart is a key day trading chart, which is what you use for your day trading entries. Every single level I will present to you is proprietary level. Levels that must meet rules, levels that can be traded on any instrument and any time frame. As you can see on day trading hourly chart, bullish rally came from this reversal zone until this reversal zone. Every single reason, every single level named for very clear reason. When price comes near this reversal zone, you never buy near. By the time price comes to this level, you are in significant profit and you never buy near. Bob, it's coming from your computer. Click adjust to fit. As another student says he cannot see, another student says it's too small. For you it's too big. Every single screen is different. Click fit to screen. When market collapsed to this hot pink line, this was crucial Fibonacci support. This hot pink line identifies the end of the minor trend. The accuracy of these levels extremely high. If you listen on the website, you can listen to hedge fund managers who are using my strategies and exact same levels as you're witnessing on retail traders' day trading chart. Yesterday morning in a bootcamp, our bias remained firmly bullish. Multiple bullish points of entry played out. And here we are, currently at reversal zone. No surprise whatsoever where selling pressure coming from. This is exact same formula you can use on any chart. This is exact same formula that's applicable to Apple Weekly. My pleasure. In 2015, Apple had stunning earnings. Biggest loss for hedge funds in United States of America who were holding long on Apple at this level. When I said I don't care what the earnings will be, Apple will collapse. Remember the hot pink line on S&P hourly on retail chart? Bullish rally stepped in from here. Right now there is no reason to be concerned about Apple. Apple is not collapsing. Fibonacci levels are always present. How to apply the levels, how to trade the levels, you must know the rules. All the levels in front of you determine far in advance where price will reverse, where market will head to. Here is oil weekly. These levels had been present in our trading room and in the course for a number of years. This is exact same place where bullish rally on S&P came from on hourly. This is exact same Fibonacci resistance where bullish rally on oil had taken a massive pause. This been massive correction on oil. This is a chart I use when I work with hedge funds and institutions who holding positions as investments for a long time. The strategy identical to what you use on your day trading chart. Exact same levels as you just saw on this hourly day trading chart. Exact same reversal zone. Exact same significance, exact same accuracy. And that's all that matters. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. Market is flawless, Fibonacci puzzle. No ifs or buts about it. No software, no indicators involved of any kind. Price for entry and Fibonacci for exits using key rules you will see shortly next. What separates Fibonacci from indicators? Absolutely nothing in common. Word indicator next to Fibonacci is completely wrong. Fibonacci is a natural mathematical sequence that's present in everything. It's present when you look at the flower. You see perfect symmetry. It's present when you look on the human body, when you look in the reflection in the mirror. It's present in music, it's present in dance, it's present in the ocean, it's present in the market. Fibonacci is the only natural tool in the market that I prove each and every day. Market preset by Fibonacci levels. Fibonacci can be found on any platform. Fibonacci can be applied to any instrument, any time frame. Nothing in common with artificial indicators that are delayed, not predictive. Nothing in common with indicators that can be used only on certain platforms, only on certain instruments. Indicators you constantly have to pay fees for. Fibonacci tool is free on any platform. Fibonacci tool is natural. Each and every day I work with students. After one class, most students share with complete accuracy understanding of what they learned. Most students, after a couple of weeks, become drastically more powerful than some top hedge fund managers in US. In 2015, I wrote a number of articles about Valiant. This is proprietary Fibonacci reversal zone. 2015, I said to the entire world, when I was reading about Aikman, buying Valiant at reversal zone. Top hedge fund in US obliterated. He was investing and being top investor in Valiant when he was entering into reversal zone. 20 students I started working as of Monday this week already know better, already know where reversal zone is, already can trade better than Valiant, than Aikman. This is where he bought his position. Losses of $4 billion using earnings only. Take a look. Invested $257. When I've heard of this, I wrote an article that Valiant will crash to 12. Valiant just reached 12 yesterday. Lost $4 billion. Collapse of 90%. Few hours in class, you know better and trade better the top hedge fund manager in US who was buying Valiant at reversal zone. Never an option, ever. And that's what separates Fibonacci from indicators. Makes a world of difference. Fibonacci will give you accuracy, no indicator will. Fibonacci is the only predictive tool in the market. Fibonacci retracement tool is what you are witnessing in front of you. Fibonacci cannot be traded without precise rules. Precise rules must be met in order to trade. I get a lot of questions to sell this Fibonacci tool. I've been doing it long enough. I never sell Fibonacci tool because without knowledge of the rules, it will never work. Knowing the rules, knowing how to trade Fibonacci is the key, and that is crucial. No ifs or buts about it. Here is a picture-perfect reminder what's been happening on gold. One of the funds I worked with since December 2016 had been acquiring gold from this Fibonacci support. And this was their exit point. As I said, this is always crucial target you learn in the course. Right now, gold reached crucial Fibonacci support. Fibonacci levels are always present. Knowing where to enter, knowing where to exit remains the key. This is ultimate end of minor trend on gold. If bearish trend is minor, gold will stage bullish rally back up. But to the upside on gold, this will be key level. And this is a chart present in front of you for years. How to trade this chart remains the key. If bullish trend is minor, this level will be out and gold will collapse to here. Right now, buyers are weak. Right now, not a good time to enter long position on gold. Rules had not been met. Rules had been met here. 2016, February, I said gold is heading to this area. And gold had done from here to here, as expected. And it reversed from reversal zone. This year, gold is staging drastically different formations. Nothing in common. And that's what I said last year on February 2nd, when gold was at 1100, that gold is heading drastically higher. And that's exact same formula, and that's exact same thing I used on euro. Exciting weeks, exciting months on euro. Take a look. Remember euro at reversal zone in 2014? Remember hot pink line on euro, crucial Fibonacci support where gold is dancing now? What happened with euro at this level? That support was broken. Euro struggled at this support for a couple of months. However, this is my post from 2015. 2015 I said, euro is sitting at crucial support. In 2015, I could not possibly imagine that Brexit was coming next. I could not possibly imagine that pound would break through this hot pink support a whole lot faster than euro. Pound already broke through all the targets. Pound already reached 119. Pound is heading lower. Because Fibonacci said so, years in advance. As I said on pound, I expect pound at 1.1. I expect euro at 50. It's all a matter of this hot pink proprietary support. Euro exit is next. US dollar will double and triple and quadruple. Euro will go into free fall. Once this support is out, seeing how quickly pound had done that, how quickly euro had done so on weekly, and how much it respecting this support, just like gold did respecting this resistance, showing you each and every day. Formula remains the same. Gold been at this support on weekly for the last 2 weeks. Price action is identical everywhere. Liquidity, risk management is the difference. And that's the core, and that's the key of the course. Fixed stops, fixed targets do not work. Speculative entries do not work. Precise rules do. Knowing where to enter, knowing where to place your stop and your target is everything. Price action show you the entry, Fibonacci show you the exits, no matter what you trade. No indicator on the planet will tell you where a market is heading to. I work with software developers all the time when they come to me for advice about understanding price action, which shows you, once again, all decisions using indicators are delayed. No indicator on the planet will tell you months, years, weeks, hours, minutes in advance where market heading to. And that remains the key. What chart you trade makes a difference. If it's day trading chart, it's a matter of minutes. If it's position trading chart, days, months and years, you will forever benefit from. And that makes a world of difference. What you trade, absolutely your choice. This is a chart that's been present in the trading room for the last 6 years. Remember bullish reversal 2009? Exact same formula as you just saw on oil on S&P hourly. Exact same formula you saw on gold weekly, you saw on euro. This is where buyers stepped in from in 2009. This is where buyers stepped in from, one more time, in 2011. Remember brutal correction of 2014, 2015? And the beauty and the importance of this Fibonacci support? Famous 1800 number? If you knew where this support is, you didn't lose sleep, you didn't have sweaty palms, you knew extremely well that if market respecting this support, market in massive correction. And that's where S&P is right now, in excruciating pain. Non-stop pullbacks, because something extremely powerful happening on shorter term chart. This is daily chart. On daily chart, S&P reached reversal zone. And as we discussed with students, starting from last week, it was all about this hot pink support, the end of the minor trend. And no surprise where FOMC rally had ended. This is where market is struggling immensely. As bullish rally that started on historical event, night of the election, from this Fibonacci zone, from this Fibonacci reversal area, reminded you. It didn't matter who won the election. Market preset by Fibonacci levels. As long as Fibonacci reversal zone is respected, market will rally. And that's where price is stalling now. Bullish rally from 2020 reached reversal zone. Knowledge is the key. Market in massive correction on daily. As long as 2349 is respected, market in massive correction. All preset by the market from last year can be in a play for many weeks and many months to come. And that's the power of the method. And that's all I spent time with since 2008. Indicators blocking your vision. Indicators not letting you learn anything about price action. If you invest your time and effort into indicators, you're becoming very powerful, very knowledgeable indicator shopper. Which one do you want to be? Knowledgeable trader or indicator investor? This is a chart of one of the students that came to me after trying for 20 years, investing over $400,000 in indicators instead of himself and his knowledge. Flashing arrows, flashing carrots do not improve knowledge of the markets. However, improve knowledge of indicators. Last year I worked with hedge fund with group of very young guys who inherited family money and choose to invest in very cool gadget Fit. If you know what Fit is, it's a very likable tool to measure your heart rate during your workout. They bought Fit at 30. They came to me before Fit was at earnings. Before Fit came with spectacular earnings. I said to them, Fit currently at reversal zone. If you witness and see the accuracy of the method, you need to make a decision. Which one is more powerful? Is it earnings or is it reversal zone? They did not listen. They believed in earnings. Fit collapsed until 9, despite excellent earnings. Just like Apple done, collapsing despite excellent earnings. Fibonacci drastically more accurate than earnings will ever be. Don't mean a thing. What you trade, absolutely your choice. Fibonacci will forever be more accurate than any delayed indicators. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits is all that matter. Price action forms Fibonacci waves using Fibonacci golden ratio. Fibonacci golden ratio created by these numbers. This is the most powerful numbers that found in everything that surrounds us. Every single subsequent number is the sum of the previous two. And this is what creates symmetry in the markets. And this is what creates symmetry in everything that surrounds us. Nothing else matters. And this is what I was teaching this morning. And this is what I teach in the course. And this is the key guidelines. Without it, success in trading is not possible. Market moves in 5 waves. Major trend, 5 Fibonacci waves. The most important wave in the market structure is wave 1. The start of the trend is a core. Knowing the rules, knowing how to identify this trend is everything. Knowledgeable trader never trades wave 2, wave 4, wave 5. Knowledgeable trader trades only 1 and 3. If you ever acquire position at the end of wave 3, your success rate less than 20%. You entering into reversal zone. If you witnessed what's been happening on S&P yesterday, you should not be surprised. Yesterday morning, our bias was firmly bullish. Yesterday was extremely powerful day. As you saw, sudden collapse became meaningless. Knowledgeable trader who knows this is Fibonacci reversal zone ignores all shorts. Trader who doesn't know Fibonacci shorts this late, success rate 20%. This was flawless inception of bullish rally. And this bullish rally right now is here. No surprise where selling pressure coming from. This is your day trading levels. This is what you trade, and this is what you must obey. And this is exactly what market does every time. No matter if it's S&P hourly, no matter if it's Nasdaq, no matter if it's long or short structure. Identical formula every time. Shorting at the end of wave 3, never an option. You're entering into brick wall. It will not work. And this is the structure, and this is the reminder on Euro hourly. Flawless Fibonacci rally, finding sharp U-turn. Fibonacci levels are reached. Price reversing suddenly. Happens all the time. Only knowledge of Fibonacci will keep you out of trouble. And that remains the key. That's the reason I love bringing oil to the room during oil news. If you ever go to the website, I highly encourage you. Visit YouTube channel, as you can see multiple videos, multiple trade examples, multiple oil news every time. Years and years of videos from the trading room. Multiple instruments, multiple time frames. Highly encourage you to review. Using exact same formula, no matter if it's euro, no matter if it's oil, no matter if it's Google. Google is as clean of a chart as it will ever get. Flawless. No surprise where suddenly and sharply bullish rally reversing from. And that's what price does every time. And that's what I teach each and every day. Traders from beginner to hedge fund trader, using exact same formula on various instruments. My favorite part of the website, always this one. Listen to students, listen to graduates from beginner trader to hedge fund trader who trade anything and everything, from S&P to stocks to options to Forex. What you trade, absolutely up to you. This morning, Sam spoke in the boot camp. Sam is a legend. He survived war in Syria. And if you listen to him, if you see pictures of the website of his daughter who is finishing Harvard, and Sam trades method I developed in 2008 using options shows what you trade, absolutely up to you. That's Sam and his daughter. Life is magic if you live and breathe what you do. I meet with students in US and abroad, from Middle East, from Singapore to Dubai to California, meeting with students again next week. Students from beginner to hedge fund trader. We just started boot camp, our favorite event of the year. If you've always been dying to learn Fibonacci, and you can enter even a couple of days of a boot camp, one day in a boot camp equivalent to 1 week in regular course. This is the event that happens only once or twice per year. New students not paying anything extra for boot camp. Boot camp included in the cost of the course. We have only one vacancy left. Students from beginner to hedge fund trader in a boot camp. Course 8 weeks. Students who work from boot camp finishing course in 2 weeks. Even if you can attend a couple of days, as a boot camp you benefit tremendously. In a boot camp you also learn strategy that's not part of the regular course. If you prefer private mentoring, speak with me first. The information can be found on website. I have extremely limited space, most of my days booked until June. What I teach to you, I teach to hedge fund traders. I teach to hedge fund managers. Exact same formula. What you decide to trade, absolutely up to you. And that remains the key. Self-awareness and psychology is crucial component of the course. Each and every person around you has different circumstance, has different account size, trades on different platform. You can use any platform you choose. If you are serious about rule-based method, if you are serious about Fibonacci, I look forward to hearing from you. You will learn 2 key concepts, pure price and Fibonacci only. No software, no indicators of any kind. Method applies to any instrument, any time frame. Ladies and gentlemen, this is all I have for presentation. I tried to finish as soon as I possibly could. I look forward to your questions. Please post questions about any instrument, any time frame, any question you would like to ask me, please. If it's Nasdaq weekly, if it's gold monthly, if it's Apple daily, any other questions you would like to ask, I look forward to hearing from you. This is ultimate Fibonacci resistance, and this is ultimate Fibonacci support. That's the key, and that's crucial. This is where pound is currently. This is why pound holding this support for the last 6 months. I absolutely expect this support to be out and pound to head lower, just like euro. 2-minute gold futures. In the course you learn if you are trading 2-minute gold futures, it's pretty dangerous time frame to trade. I will open up gold futures, but if you're trading gold futures, you're in and out all the time. The success in day trading comes from quality, never from quantity. So let me find gold futures. Coming up. One second, please. The smallest chart you learn to trade in the course is 5-minute chart. You're using 1 to 3-minute chart as your barometer chart. You never trade junky little charts. You're serious about success, you need to know what charts to trade, what charts not to trade. So, you had spectacular rally on gold futures this morning. You had multiple points of entry. Right now, gold futures are pretty tired and been reminding you, you do not want to buy the market this late. Non-stop chop, non-stop pullbacks. But as long as this support is respected, bullish rally will go on. Identical formula to S&P monthly. Remember what happened on S&P at that decision point too? Identical price action. S&P monthly versus gold 5-minute chart. VIX futures, loved by hedge funds. I believe on Ninja it's VXX. What time frame please on VIX? Let's look on VIX hourly. Hourly chart is a guiding light for all day trading entries. So here's the example. Here is VIX hourly. No surprise, whereas the last 6 hours VIX is struggling. No surprise whatsoever. This is your Fibonacci resistance. Shorts near this level, not an option. You know the rules for long trade? Rules are met on 5-minute chart. Enjoy the trade. No surprise where buyers been coming from on 5-minute chart for the previous 3 hours. Never ever short near this level. Identical structure as gold monthly, as Apple, as euro, as pound. No matter what you trade, formula remains the same. And that's what I teach in the course. So, sorry I sound a little tired because bootcamp is the most exciting, the most powerful time of the year. So we still have 8 days left in a bootcamp. So the moment you start right in a bootcamp, and you can certainly continue after the bootcamp with the course. So ladies and gentlemen, you will be receiving invitations for the trading room when trading room will reopen after the bootcamp on March 27th. So please keep an eye on your inbox, check your spam folder. You will be receiving the invitation on Monday morning, March 27th. If this is not the right time in your life to join us, you're always welcome to observe the method in the trading room, and I look forward to hearing from you when time is right for you. So please review all the information on the website, and as always, listen to graduates, because every single person's story is different. Every single person trades different instrument, different time frame. We are running out of space on the website to post student stories and testimonies. I thank you so much for your time. Never hesitate to contact me. info@fibainstitute.com or 925-257-4298. Thank you so much, traders. Have a marvelous afternoon. Thank you, Randy. Thank you, Bob. Thank you, Anthony. Thank you, Bill. Thank you, Bullen, Harold, James, Janky, Lionel, Mark. Zdislav. Pleasure to be with you. Have a great night. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.